Welcome to the DentiMax Tip of the Week. In today's video, we're going to go over creating new categories or folders in our Document Center. To begin, we just need to access the Document Center. To get to the Document Center, I can select a patient from our patient list and then click on the double sheet of paper in the top right corner, or I can choose them from anywhere else in the software and then just select the Document Center in the top right corner, which is the double sheets of paper. Once you're in the Document Center, we can see that we have a few different categories here already on the left-hand side. First, it's important to understand what type of category you want to add. The Document Center has multiple functions. For example, ID card and scanned documents both directly link to a device in your office in order for you to scan items into those categories. Image file, however, lets you grab an image file from your desktop that already exists on your computer. Signed documents and patient letter are different categories that allow you to access the documents that you can build or access the documents that you can utilize that already exist in the Document Center or documents that you build yourself. And printed documents are items that you can have our tech support set up to print to your Document Center instead of actually printing paper and then scanning them. So the Document Center essentially acts as a printer when you use this feature. These different categories, as I mentioned, these categories each have different functions. So it's important to know what type of function you want to add before you try and create more categories. I would like to add a space for treatment plans that perhaps the patient manually signs that you scan and upload into your Document Center. So to do that, I click on File in the top left corner, Program Preferences, and then here's our current categories. At the bottom, I just click New, give the category a name, so we're going to call it Treatment Estimates. And then the source is essentially the type of category you're adding. If you are scanning in documents, the source is going to be a device. If you're uploading documents from a file on your computer, you'll choose Image File. A templated document is essentially a document that's under signed or patient letter that you can utilize, and printed document is something that you'll basically be printing to the Document Center for. So in this case, we're going to choose Device, and I can pick a little icon to represent my new folder. So I click Load, and then we can see the various icons here. I'm going to go ahead and choose the folder icon and hit Open. And then down here is where we can actually sync up the device to that folder or category. So I click the ... button, and the only device I have is my Neat scanner, so I'm just going to click OK and save our changes. Now I have a new category under Treatment Estimates, and I can close the screen and select that item. Click Add Treatment Estimates at the top, and I'm ready to go ahead and scan in a treatment plan estimate for our patient. Please keep in mind that you can create as many categories as you'd like, all with different functions. And if you have any further questions about how to create a new category within the Document Center, please give our training department a call at 1-800-704-8494, extension 2. Thank you so much.